Hi everyone, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to solve a linear equation with variables on both sides. Let's take one example. 11x minus 6 equals 8x plus 9. First we identify the sides of the equation. Equal sign is in the middle of the equation. 8x plus 9 in the right side and 11x minus 6 in the left side of the equation. So this is a linear equation or simple equation with variables and numbers are on both sides of the equation. To solve this equation, you have to take all the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. I will explain you two methods to solve this equation. You can see positive 8x in the right side of the equation. To cancel positive 8x, we write negative 8x. Whatever change you do to the right side, you have to do the same thing to the other side also. So balancing the equation, we write negative 8x in the left side also. Now you can cancel positive 8x and negative 8x in the right side of the equation. You can simplify like terms in the left side of the equation. 11x minus 8x equals 3x. So in the left side you can write 3x minus 6. In the right side of the equation 9 remains. So second step, 3x minus 6 equals 9. Now we want to cancel minus 6 in the left side. So we write plus 6 on both sides. Now you can cancel plus 6 and minus 6 in the left side and you can add 9 and 6 in the right side. Then you can write 3x equals 15. Here we have to understand the meaning of 3x. 3x means 3 multiplied by x. So for cancelling multiplication 3, we divide both sides of the equation by 3. Now you can cancel 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator on the left side of the equation. In the right side, we divide 15 by 3. Finally, you got the value x equals 5. Now we solve this simple equation and we got the value of variable x equals 5. So this is a linear equation with variables on both sides of the equation. By using this method, you can solve this type of equations. Now I am going to explain you method 2. 11x minus 6 equals 8x plus 9. Variables and numbers are on both sides of the equation. To solve this equation, we have to take all the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. We can solve this equation by using inverse operation methods. First I take positive 8x to the left side. Then it becomes minus 8x and 9 remains in the right side. Then I take minus 6 to the right side of the equation. Then minus 6 becomes plus 6. Now you can see all the variables are in the left side of the equation and all the numbers are in the right side of the equation. You simplify like terms. 11x minus 8x is 3x. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Then you can write 3x equals 15. 3x means 3 multiplied by x. Then we take multiplication 3 to the other side. It becomes division 3. X equals 15 divided by 3. Finally, you get the correct answer, x equals 5. You solve this equation by using inverse operation method. It is clear that now you know how to solve linear equations with variables on both sides of the equation. Thank you very much for watching our video. I'll come back to you with another lesson. Good luck.